I'm both nervous and excited to share this technique with you today. It's incredibly powerful, a metaphysical approach that can speed up your journey to manifesting and shaping your reality. However, this technique also carries some risk, which is why I hesitated to reveal it. Great power always comes with great responsibility. And when you understand how much influence you have, the responsibility to use it wisely becomes crystal clear. We are creators, more powerful than we often realize. Remember, even Jesus of Nazareth said, "The miracles I do, you will do too, and even greater ones." It's a bold reminder of our inherent power, yet many of us have forgotten it. This isn't just about being a bystander in life, a passive observer of what happens to us. This is about reclaiming the role of the creator in your own story. Today, I'm going to reveal a technique to you, one that can strengthen your manifestations, quicken your goals, and help you sculpt the life you truly desire. If you're excited and ready to harness this power, leave a comment below saying, "I am an unstoppable soul." But for now, listen closely because the insights I'm about to share will change how you think about reality. The foundation of this technique is faith. Jesus himself taught, "According to your faith, it is given to you." Faith and belief are the hidden forces that fuel our reality, the magic that makes dreams tangible. The stronger your faith, the faster things manifest. When you fully believe that something is already part of your life, it becomes real. This principle applies to everything: your thoughts, emotions, habits, fears, and even your insecurities. They all stem from belief, and with conviction, they can be changed. When you are absolutely certain that something is real, with no doubt in your mind, it will show up in your life faster than you might believe. You are, in every sense, the product of your beliefs. People often look to the world for proof, seeking validation in what's already past. But everything in your life today is a reflection of what you created in the past. Your reality begins within, in the depths of your mind. What you perceive with your senses is, in essence, already the past. Think of a flower in full bloom. It is beautiful and vibrant, but soon after, it begins to fade. What you're seeing is the result of what once was. Similarly, everything in your present life has roots in past beliefs and choices. Those who lack faith in these ideas seek evidence in what's already dead. Think of a distant star. It may still seem to shine brightly, but it could have died millions of years ago. The light reaching us now is only a remnant of what once was. In the same way, what you see around you is merely a reflection of your past energy and focus, no longer alive in the present. In my teachings, especially in The Voice of Your Soul, I emphasize that what you perceive is no longer real if you choose to stop focusing on it. Understanding this concept is why Jesus said, "My kingdom is not of this world." He recognized that what we experience with our senses has already passed. If you don't want something to appear in your future, let go of your attachment to it now. If you've been following my teachings for a while, reflect on the first things you aim to manifest. You'll likely find that many of them are now part of your reality. What you're experiencing now is the outcome of your beliefs and focus from years ago. So, how do you predict your future? Look at where your strongest thoughts, beliefs, and attention lie today. They are the seeds of your reality in 1 or 2 years. Materialization follows your focus. What you concentrate on with passion and intention will eventually come to life. Everything I've focused on deeply and sustained attention toward has manifested over time. There hasn't been a single dream that didn't come to fruition as long as I stayed focused and committed for a sustained period of 1 or 2 years. This principle is unbreakable, a universal law that won't fail you. It's people who falter, not the rules of creation. Now let's explore why this knowledge is powerful yet potentially dangerous. A few years ago, a revealing experiment was conducted involving a group of school children. They were given IQ tests, and through an error, the results were misinterpreted by psychologists. In this fascinating study, a group of school children took IQ tests, but due to an error, their results were misinterpreted. Children who scored below average were mistakenly labeled as gifted, while the actual high achievers were labeled as underperformers. This incorrect information was then shared with their teachers, who began treating the gifted children with high expectations and encouragement, while showing less enthusiasm toward the real high achievers, now believed to be struggling. The results were astounding. After a year, the children who were actually gifted but treated as if they were struggling showed a noticeable drop in performance, while the below-average children who were encouraged as gifted began to improve significantly. This powerful phenomenon is known as the Pygmalion effect, a testament to the influence of belief on performance and potential. This lesson connects to something deeply spiritual and transformational, a concept that even Jesus of Nazareth understood. When Jesus performed miracles, he often instructed those he healed to go and tell no one. Why? Because he knew that announcing a miraculous change to others, especially before it was fully realized, risked allowing their doubts or disbelief to dilute the power of the healing. This teaching reflects the importance of protecting our progress from others' limiting beliefs, a subtle but potent aspect of the Pygmalion effect. The Pygmalion effect can work against you if others project doubt or skepticism onto your goals or healing process. But when used wisely, it can become a powerful tool in manifesting your desires. Here's how. By surrounding yourself with people who genuinely love and support you. Their positive energy and faith in your vision amplify your efforts. Have you ever experienced a deep connection with a friend, partner, or family member where you both thought or said the same thing at the same time? This is an example of telepathy in action, proof of the mind's unseen power to influence and connect with others. Comment below if you've experienced this kind of shared thought. It's a sign of powerful resonance and connection. The first rule of using this technique is to stay close to people who truly want the best for you. When you include these trusted individuals in your visualizations, their positive intentions help fuel your vision, making your desires even more potent. But beware. If you try this with people who harbor envy or negative intentions, you risk manipulating their thoughts and intentions, a path that can carry karmic consequences. Imagine the common scenario of forcing a relationship to happen because of sheer desire. It might come to fruition temporarily but may lead to regret or disharmony because it went against the natural flow of free will. If you've experienced something like this, let me know in the comments. It's a powerful lesson in the balance between willpower and destiny. To avoid creating negative karma, make sure to focus on people who genuinely celebrate your successes and envision them as part of your achievement. When you visualize, imagine these loved ones celebrating your triumphs and congratulating you with genuine joy. If they aren't directly involved in your goals, even better. This way, you honor their free will without influencing their paths directly. This approach lets you embrace their love and support without crossing any boundaries. When visualizing your dreams, remember that the subconscious mind is a shared space. By imagining the people you love celebrating with you, you connect not only with your own mind, but also subtly with theirs, giving your desire an extra surge of energy. This connection, while invisible, is incredibly powerful. In a deeply relaxed or meditative state, your subconscious mind becomes more receptive to suggestions, making it an ideal time to visualize your goals. Recall the teaching of Jesus of Nazareth. Whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. Notice he said, believe that you have received it, as if it's already here. This is the ultimate secret to effective visualization. As you practice this, picture yourself already living your dream, feeling the joy and gratitude as if it's fully realized. Then, imagine 2 or 3 people you deeply trust and love, family members or friends, celebrating this success with you. Visualize their genuine happiness and heartfelt congratulations, creating a vivid mental scene of shared joy. This act strengthens the energy around your desire, making it more real, because you're weaving it into the fabric of your subconscious and amplifying it through their subconscious minds as well. When you combine your focused intent with the loving support of others, your manifestation becomes a powerful, shared reality that resonates beyond you.